Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to count words in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple and also works with characters or pages. To do this I first open a document in Google Docs and here we see a lot of text. But how many words are there? To find out I click on Tools and Word Count. And here I get all the relevant information about words, characters and pages. So that I can use this information in a much more practical way, I check the box for Display Word Count while typing and click on OK. And now I have a small box here that always shows me the words in my selection. If I have not selected anything, it is the entire document, but if I select a paragraph, I can see how many words it has. I can also change what is displayed in the box, for example, characters or pages. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.